We'll start with 6G-CLOUD, and the presenter will be Tao Chen from VTT. So Tao, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Wei. It's a pleasure to present the 6G-CLOUD project here. So 6G-CLOUD, you see directly from the name, we deal with the cloud concept that in 6G system architecture. So a project aspect, as you see from the title. So one thing is this service-oriented 6G architecture. So it's more like a service-based architecture for extension from 6G from the core network to run and to have an end-to-end service-based architecture. The other part is the cloud-native communication system. So focus on the cloud continue and see how this architecture can apply in this cloud continue system. So and also we have the you take into account the intelligent and also sustainability goals that's into this system architecture design. So my name is Tao Chen and the project coordinator of this project from VTT. So first of all, I'd like to introduce our team in this project. So as you see that we have together 12 partners and from the 8 countries. So from the project, we have one operator, Orange, and we have 3 companies. We have Thales, we have Atos, and we have also Lenovo to cover different aspects of the project. And we have also 5 research institutes and university. We have BTT, we have is the coordinator, we have Warsaw University of Technology, is the technical manager of this project. We also have Democratus, and we have University of Munich, and also we have one partners from Switzerland, is University of Bern. And in addition to that, we have 3 SMEs to cover different aspects also in the project and also in implementation part. So the project, as mentioned, lasts for 2.5 years, and so. And if you see the project and the main target we can summarize in one sentence is that we will research on the AI native and the cloud-friendly system architecture support on top of cloud continue and the support cloud continue. So AI is also a key part in this project. Let's talk about this project, these objectives. So we have defined 7 main objectives. 2 first objectives are related to the architecture side. So first one is the end-to-end service-based architecture. So that means we really go beyond the quality work service-based design, and then we extend it to the radio access network and to see how to synergy these 2 parts and run and core convergence. And this is all built on top of the multi-stakeholder environment. That means the cloud is not only owned by one operator, but also owned by multiple entities. We try to integrate all these cloud resources together. And in our case, we even go beyond the current cloud definition and to extend this cloud definition to the use equipment side. And the second part for the objective is this cloud continue framework. So we defined several frameworks that to support this architecture design. The cloud continue framework is the way to manage the cloud resource and to support the up layer this network functions and also this application services. But in addition to that, the resource in the cloud environment and also how to management that we define a framework for that to manage the different type of resources and also coordinate the resource. And then the AI ML, we trying to provide also a framework that let's say that is kind of cognitive plan that to support also the need for different places and that need for AI. And in addition, that since this is a multi-stakeholder environment, and we also define business interface that can encourage and also get the multiple stakeholders can get benefit and profit also from this infrastructure. And to support this architecture implementation, also we have these different enabling objectives to support that. The first enabling objective is this network exposure mechanisms and also the programmability and APIs, and to support this environment, since there's not a component inside the network, and we need automation, and to make this network automation happen, we have to explore the network function status, and also from third parties, they need also exposure their status to combine each other. So in this case, the resource, different type of resource and cloud resource can be more effectively used. It is especially important that for this service-based architecture, because in service-based architecture, this different component is present as a service. That different service components can combine each other to offer a bigger service that to the end user. And then the next objective is to study this network digital twin network, and also on top of that is how to develop a distributed AI framework. So digital twin is a part of the enablers us to support this AI framework, and for the training and for identify the issues in the network, and also to generate the data, and to simulate AI algorithms before we deploy it into the network, because the network is complicated and involved in many components. So we need this kind of mechanism to train data in the ones. So in the project, we try to build also this digital twin inside the AI framework, and try to have some demonstration to validate this concept. So one thing for this cloud continuum framework is that so cloud they expand that not to from the end user that to the central cloud. This is a very wide concept. So on top of that, we will put this communication system and as a network function on the cloud environment, and also the application will also use this cloud environment. This can be mixed. So there's a question that how to efficiently use this infrastructure and to combine communication and computation functions together. So they are mixed together and use this service-based design. So really the resource can be really very effectively shared between this service, this application service, and also for network functions. So we as one objectives, we also will define the control and management framework, and also to support this integration of communication and compute. And since this is a complicated system, and to make it more efficient to work, also the energy efficiency, sustainability, and security, reliability is also all important questions. And especially you move this previous this standalone communication system to the cloud environment. Reliability is also a key issue, and in the project also we will study that. And finally, we have developed the three prototypes and to validate project concept. So that's also one outcome from this project. Then now let's give a little bit more about the concept here. So this is a very high level concept and about the project. So it's about a different framework used to support the project, the concept. So if you see, you cannot see there's radio access network and the call network is embedded here in the middle. So we call this network service. So network service, the concept in this project is the implementation of the network functions that in the RON and in the call network, but they're all in the cloud environment. As you see in the bottom layer, you have this cloud continuum framework to support to implement those network service. And also you see the application service, that means application is also in the same cloud environment. That's how to combine it. And also you see that if it's a larger system and that multiple cloud have combined to each other, so the resource should be separated. So the cloud continuum framework is used to support to manage this multi-stake cloud environment. And on top of that, we also need the management orchestration framework to manage the resource. It's not only on the cloud resource, but also for network function. Also, we need the orchestration, and also need to combine the different network function to use this service-based architecture to combine these different functions to form the network service, right? And also use the application service together with the same cloud resource. And then we have this AI/ML framework that we now call it a framework and is a general view, but of course for the network service and orchestration, there are different implementation for the framework. But the idea is that to share the framework and then use this model and training in the same place, and can distribute the model and to different places in the network. And for the service-oriented network is a key concept that you see in the middle of the box of a network service, and you see that how it looks like. So you see the network functions.
Can you please summarize, conclude, because your time is over.
Okay. So the key is that that's this service-oriented network that we try to use this whole this cloud environment and to distribute the network functions into how to say in a service-based design, so it can combine, and the core network and run network can combine to more flexible way to support a service. So there are many concepts also in details and show this figure, but of course project once we have the concrete results, and you can show more detailed design for service-oriented network. And then the last slide is the structure, and that we have this 4 technical work package to support the project work. So it's based on concept I presented here. So that's all I want to say about the project concept, and more information you may find in the future in our website.